Standing at a pool table can feel confusing at first, especially when shots do not go where you expect. That usually leads to one big question. Is your cue helping you learn or making things harder than they need to be? In this video, I am breaking down the best pool cues for beginners in plain language, so picking one feels easy and stress-free. These cues sit in different price ranges, and each one fits a different kind of player or setup. One might make sense for casual games at home, another for league nights, or practice at a local hall. That is why watching all the way through really helps you spot the one that matches your needs and your budget. You will find links to every cue in the description below. If this video helps, tap like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you do not miss future guides. If questions pop up, drop them in the comments. Now, let's get into the reviews and take a closer look at the first cue on the list. Number 5. Cue Bar Pool Cue Stick. This one stands out right away with its look, and it does not feel boring or plain. The design uses bold geometric sword patterns with a glossy finish that catches light nicely, which can make practice feel a bit more fun from the start. The length sits at 58 inches, which matches the standard size most beginners run into at pool halls. It comes as a two-piece build, so carrying it around or storing it at home feels simple. The weight choices range from 18 to 21 ounces, depending on the color, and that variety helps newer players pick something that feels comfortable in the hand without guessing. Up front, the 13mm layered leather tip sits in the middle ground. That size feels forgiving for learning aim and control in 8-ball and 9-ball games. The maple shaft stays wrapless, so there is no wrap to wear down over time, and the smooth coating keeps the grip feeling clean during longer sessions. Balance feels thoughtfully set up, aiming to reduce wrist strain during repeated shots. The build focuses on durability, meant to handle busy rooms and the occasional bump without stress. A piece of chalk and a short care guide come in the box, which helps beginners get started quickly. This pick fits a budget-friendly slot and works well for adults, teens, and casual league play. It feels like a practical entry that still brings personality to the table. Number 4. Taiba Cues, two-piece pool cue stick. This option feels more like a full starter bundle than just a single cue. From the start, I see it aiming at beginners who want everything in one place without shopping for extras later. The length sits at 58 inches, keeping things familiar at most tables. Weight can be adjusted from 18 to 21 ounces using a built-in bolt system, which gives new players room to fine-tune balance as their comfort changes. The maple build focuses on consistency, and the low-deflection shaft is meant to keep shots predictable during practice. Grip comfort comes from an imitation leather wrap that helps with control during longer games. The joint uses brass and includes protectors, which helps cut down on vibration and wear during travel. A rubber bumper on the base adds protection when the cue is set down between shots. One big highlight here is what comes in the case. A hardshell carrier, glove, tip tool, and joint protectors are part of the package. Color choices range from classic black and gray to brighter blue, red, and green styles. This pick lands in the budget range and fits beginners moving into regular play. Some feedback mentions straightness can vary over time, so basic care matters. It suits casual league nights too. Number 3. K-Mice Professional Low-Deflection Pool Cue Stick. This pick moves the focus a bit more toward control and consistency, which many beginners start caring about after a few weeks of play. I see it aimed at players who want cleaner shots without jumping straight into higher-priced options. The length comes in at 58 inches, keeping things familiar at league tables and practice halls. Weight options range from 18 to 21 ounces, depending on color, so there is room to match different comfort levels. The maple shaft uses a low deflection taper that helps keep cue ball movement more predictable, which can boost confidence during spin shots. Up front, the 13mm multi-layer leather tip sits in a friendly middle zone. It feels forgiving for learning cue ball placement without feeling too soft. The steel joint focuses on clean energy transfer, helping shots feel consistent from hit to hit. On the grip area, a textured finish adds traction and helps reduce slipping during firmer strokes. The butt carries a smooth wood grain gloss that resists sweat and everyday wear. Color choices include black, blue, brown, and wine red, each paired with a different weight. One thing to flag is that this option comes as a multi-cue set, which is great for families or shared spaces, but might feel like extra for solo players. It fits the budget category and suits beginners ready to tighten up accuracy. Number 2. McDermott Lucky L2 Pool Cue. This one feels like a step up for beginners who want something simple that still feels well put together. The length comes in at 58 inches, keeping it familiar across most tables. Weight options run from 18 to 21 ounces, so it is easy to match a lighter or heavier feel based on comfort. The full maple build keeps things traditional, and the 2-piece setup makes storage and transport easy. At the front, the 13mm leather tip focuses on control and chalk hold, which helps newer players work on aim and cue ball placement. The ferrule and tip setup connects directly to the shaft, helping shots feel clean and predictable. The wood-to-wood joint uses a stainless steel pin, giving a tight connection that stays consistent during play. Grip stays simple with a standard wood finish, which suits players who like a natural feel without extra texture. The balance point is often praised for feeling even, helping reduce awkward wrist movement during longer sessions. Color choice is straightforward with a blue design, keeping the look clean and classic. This option lands in the mid-range category. One small downside is the lack of flashy style choices, though many beginners prefer the clean approach. It works well for learning fundamentals and growing into regular play. Number 1. Viking Valhalla 100 Series Pool Cue. For beginners who want a cue that feels reliable and well-balanced, this option really stands out. It fits players who are ready to learn fundamentals and keep improving without jumping straight into higher-priced gear. The length is 58 inches, which matches what you usually find at most tables. There are weight choices from 18 to 21 ounces, and the internal bolt system lets you fine-tune that feel as you go. The maple shaft uses a pro-style taper with a 13mm diameter, and that helps shots stay smooth and predictable through long practice sessions. Up front, the medium hardness leather tip comes properly shaped, which makes focusing on aim and control easier. The joint uses a standard stainless steel thread that keeps the connection tight shot after shot. Between the shaft and tip, a high-impact resin ferrule aims for consistent contact during strokes. The grip area uses an Irish linen wrap that stays breathable and secure even when you play multiple games in a row. Balance feels well thought out, helping reduce extra wrist movement during longer play. One of the nicer parts here is the color variety, from traditional black and natural wood to brighter choices like pink, purple, red, and white. This cue falls in the mid-range category and comes with a lifetime manufacturer warranty for extra peace of mind. Some feedback mentions minor straightness issues over long-term use, though most players report good results. For anyone stepping up from house cues, this feels like a strong choice to finish the list. That brings us to the end of the list. Picking the right option early on can make learning feel more comfortable and a lot more enjoyable. If something grabbed your interest, the links are down in the description. If this video helped you out, tap like, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you do not miss what comes next. You can leave a comment if questions come up, and check out the other videos on the channel for more guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.